So you can see here the automation. When a new record is created, connect the record based on the key. So when a new record is created here in client requests, and this is going to be created by the email that you received, right? Then you're going to connect something. So I'm going to search in the client database in the email field the email from this new record, and then I'm going to link in the client field here the client that I found. So basically, this is what this automation is doing, right? So I'm going to just show an example right now. I'm going to create through the table interface here right now. I'm going to create an example request. And for the email, I'm going to type in andrew@email.com because that's Andrew's email. If I look here, I'm going to select Andrew. And here you go. His email here is andrew@email.com. So I'm going to just create this, and I'm not going to select the client, right? So I'm going to click on save. At first, it's going to create like without the client, but the automation is going to run, and it fetched Andrew, so it already assigned him. You can see that it's almost instantaneous. It automatically detects the client, right, and assign it to them. Okay, so this is the structure. It's kind of the most important part because the rest of the template is it's very simple, right? So we're going to build it like very quickly. So let's start. And if we look at this, what I have here is basically an interface with a form that I'm using to see the information from the client. I have tables to see meetings and requests, and I have filters here up top on the title bar, right? So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to create a new app, and I'm going to create those components.